in Blizzard, it's kind of obvious what kind of theme we chose. So it's winter is coming. And our main idea was there is a father in a world where Blizzard hits North America who's trying to pick up his daughter from school. And it's a platformer. It was, we had a platformer in mind that it is vastly simpler than a 3D game. And you can jump there. Got a lot of features, bugs in this game, and try to incorporate the lead motion control, and it is working. Kinda, yeah. So there isn't really much in the game yet. It's just part of this now.
Yeah, we just started with Unity, so we had no experience prior to the whole thing with Unity. So we just kind of like tried to play around.